Welcome to the Mutinex video series. My name is Will. I'm the Marketing Science Director at Mutinex. In this series, we'll be looking at how advertisers can be navigating some of the challenges in the market and maximizing the performance of their media. In this video, we'll be looking at how advertisers can get more incremental gains from their marketing budget. Now, one of the biggest and often easiest opportunities for an advertiser is through optimizing the executions of the media that's designed to drive short-term sales outcomes. Now, here I've got, to be fair, quite a crude diagram that I've drawn to represent optimizing executions. And what I want to show here is that it's a game of cumulative gains. When you execute a campaign, you would have made several decisions about how to go about it. And at Mutinex, we believe that three of the most important elements to consider are the publishers that you're using, the creatives, and the formats. Now, there is a vast difference in the performance of media that is driven by the decisions within each of those areas. When budgets are being tightened and you have to achieve more with less, these are the things that you should be thinking about. The mix of publishers and their shared budgets is an enormous opportunity to improve performance. In Australia, we know that publisher performance year on year can change quite significantly, with changes in audience reach, delivery algorithms, as well as the audience overlap across different publishers. The time-varying components of the Growth OS model means that we can account for these changes over time. Creative is often heralded as the most important factor within a campaign, and that makes sense. If the creative is objectively terrible, then it doesn't matter how many people you reach or how often, you're just not going to be cutting through. So developing creatives and formats that work for each publisher can quickly multiply the ROI achieved from those campaigns. In Growth OS, we build these executions in so that we can generate it inside out. And that helps advertisers optimize activity and see significant improvements in revenue and ROI, even when budgets are in decline.